How to log in to Liberty University online account. So if you want to log in to Liberty University online account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Liberty University login. And now you can go and click on the first search, which says www.liberty.edu. And after that it will take you to the web page or the website of Liberty University. And now to log into your account, you can go to sign in, which is on the bottom of your screen, bottom right corner, or you can also go to the upper right corner which says sign in and click on that. So to sign into Liberty University, first you have to enter your email or your phone number, or you can also enter your Skype's username. And then you can go to next, and after that you have to enter the password of Liberty University account, and after entering that password you will be logged in or signed into your Liberty University account. And that's it. That's the way to log into your Liberty University online account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.